Hi, I'm Bradley Nzinga. I'm a graduating senior here at Tuskegee University. I happen to be an animal science major from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am a part of the International Studies program here.
My name is Shirlita Robinson. I am a senior animal science major from Atlanta, Georgia.
Hello, my name is Matthew Tanaka. I'm a senior student at Tuskegee University. I'm from Montgomery, Alabama, and I major in animal sciences and pre-veterinary science.
Hello, my name is Christopher Bernard. I am a PhD student in the Integrative Biosciences program here at Tuskegee University.
My name is LaKaya Clark. I'm a graduating senior majoring in environmental science from Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
The study abroad program that I participated in was in Costa Rica. Me and 5 other students from Tuskegee, as well as 2 students from Alabama A&M, took a one-month-long trip to Limon, Costa Rica, and spent the most of our time at Earth University. We got to meet locals, meet people in isolated areas that live off their 1 acre of land. We were introduced to biodigesters and anaerobic respiration, methane production. We got to visit buffalo milk farms, dairy farms, and it was truly a humbling experience, and we really learned a lot.
In Costa Rica, we spent time at Earth University, which was one of my favorite campuses to ever be at. It's gorgeous. The entire university is completely open to the environment, which is amazing. One of our favorite things that we did on campus is participating in some of the local dances that all of the students would participate in as one of their dance clubs. And off campus, we did a lot of just experiencing the culture with the people themselves. So going out to markets, conversing with people. It's hard to it's hard to get that experience when it's not your native tongue, but you know, so fulfilling, and it's amazing.
I traveled to Costa Rica during the summer of 2012, along with some more of my peers and some other students from Alabama A&M. So I met a lot of new friends during my trip, not only those from Alabama, but also those in Costa Rica. We got to experience their daily schedules or school schedules and how they handle their day. So they pretty much go to school all week long except for Sunday, and 2 of the 6 days they do field work outside the classroom. So we got to go into the field and we managed their medicinal garden. We planted trees or small plants or herbs in their garden, and we got to learn about all the different species that are native to Costa Rica and their beneficial uses. So it was a great experience. We learned a lot from it.
We arrived in India, in the state of Maharashtra, in January, and one of the first important experiences was discussions with the farmers on their current needs. We found out one of the important needs in agricultural production in the rural India is water. There is a severe shortage of water in this rain-fed state. So new techniques of irrigation and the development of drought-resistant plants is needed. My primary objective and primary training is a plant pathologist and plant biotechnologist. And so we will use our skills and our abilities to help create a sustainable agriculture in rural India. Agricultural production in India feeds and supports about 600 million people. And as we know, India is an important food producer for the entire world. Therefore, their needs are our needs, and they deserve to be and should be addressed.
I went to India this past fall, December 2012. We visited different parts of India studying their fisheries industry. We visited some different colleges around India. Our original focus was to study how farms in India parallel those in Alabama along the Black Belt region, but the scope of our trip got changed to studying or gaining knowledge and studying their fisheries industry there, and using the resources that Tuskegee University has to help improve their practices and help with their international marketing. I met a lot of great people, a lot of different professors, even people my age. I fell in love with the food. The culture there is beautiful. It's definitely an eye-opening experience being in a third world country, but I loved every moment of it. It was very different.
One of my favorite aspects about being part of this program was that I made friends from all over the world. I'm very proud to say that I have friends in the countries of Denmark, South Africa, Ghana, Costa Rica, and that's all because of Tuskegee University.
To any students interested in traveling abroad with Tuskegee University or just on your own, period, first of all, I would say do it. You know, a lot of people don't really get outside of their own backyard, their own city where they're, originally born and raised, So let alone, getting out of the country is definitely out of a lot of people's, box. But I would definitely say do it. It's a definite eye-opener. It makes you appreciate so much more back home.
It's truly a unique experience. We got to see things that most people will never witness in their lifetime, and we got to do it all in 1 month. The basis of the program was to learn and study about development, agriculture, and sustainability. They truly are doing remarkable things in Costa Rica in their development and making the world a better place environmentally and making human impact on the earth a lot less detrimental.
I found that the experience has been tremendously impactful on my life as a researcher, so that I now position myself and my skills and attributes to helping and benefiting those that are most in need and using my resources to help mankind.
It first of all makes me more diverse. I have a diverse background now that I've experienced things outside of my culture. It's also helped me to relate to people outside of, the American culture. You can communicate and you can understand some boundaries or some differences between different cultural practices and people. Because sometimes just being in America, we expect everyone to be like us, but everyone's not like us. And so we should be able to relate to people outside of America, especially with the changing demographics inside of America. Studying abroad is one of the greatest experiences of a lifetime. You should really go.